Well, first, I will ask them, okay, operation in what sense? What's the thing that you like the most? Is the client contact, the process part, processes, sorry, the mm, most in the tech industry, managing teams, for example, because you have there a lot of things to do and it's different the ops area in a software factory such as Xseed. Another thing is in a fintech, for example, where you have a lot of processes and you work closely with the legal area. So you have to find mostly what you like the most about this job, right? Maybe if you like to manage or to work most closely with the dev team, the designers, and to see one product being built and take life, maybe a project manager or product manager is best.